Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Parathas is something that we all enjoy, especially when we have it nice and hot with a little pickle. Now today's special recipe is Pudina Paratha. Pudina is mint, so let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the Pudina Paratha, take 2 cups of wheat flour. This is a 250 ml cup. Season it with a little salt, ¼ teaspoon of turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon chaat masala powder, ½ teaspoon cumin seeds, ½ teaspoon chili powder. So I have a small bunch of fresh mint leaves. Just chop them before you add it into the flour. Add the chopped mint leaves, add a little water and start mixing the dough. Gradually add water a little at a time to get the right consistency for the dough. Just drizzle a little oil and mix it in. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes. So I have kneaded the dough for about 10 minutes. You can see it's very nice and soft. So now I'm just going to add a little oil, very little oil. Just apply it or rub it over the dough. Close this and let it sit for about 30 minutes. The dough has been sitting for about 30 minutes now. You can see it's nice and moist. Now I'm going to roll out the parathas. Take a little bit of the dough, roll it and keep it aside. I'm just going to dust the stone a bit. Start rolling it out. Make sure the tawa is nice and hot. Now I'm going to start making the parathas. Dab a little ghee on both sides. So there you go. We saw how to make these very simple yet delicious Pudina Parathas. You can have them with some nice pickle and some curd. Now I have made other parathas. You can go check out the link in the description given. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.